Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wala ba kayo napapansin? Medyo maganda-ganda at maayos-ayos na ngayon yung aking video. Yan, makikita natin ngayon yung bukbok kong mukha. Dahil nga, meron na akong bagong camera for you guys para mas maayos, maliwanag yung makikita yung aking... Alam niyo na. Yeah guys, because I just bought a new camera thanks to Connor. Yes, thank you my friend. Para ma-experience nyo naman guys yung magandang video quality. Okay. Before ang gamit ko lang kasi was like cell phone camera. I was using the iPhone 6s Plus. Pero ngayon, better na kasi naka-Canon EOS 50 na tayo. Alright. Okay, anyway, dahil sa sobrang dami, hindi naman sa sobra, ang dami talagang natamaan at guilty sa mga words na hindi nila akalain na mali talaga pala nila talagang binibigkas. Dahil sa subscribers demand, dami-dami nagre-request din na gustong magkaroon ng part 2, yung naging part 1 ko na 10 English words commonly mispronounced by us Filipinos. At talaga naman nag-trending guys sa Facebook. 1,200 views in just 2 days. Napaghalata mo talaga mga Pilipino perfecto sa English, no? Papaka-perfecto sa English, no? Ayan. Sige, eto na. Gagawin ko na guys. Just for you. Pero, bago ang lahat, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for you to be notified once I'm going to upload new video in this YouTube channel. So, let's get it on. So, same pa rin gagamit pa rin tayo ng Rhyme Dictionary, Dictionary.com at Oxford Dictionary for our reference. Para hindi tayo nagmumukhang para nag-iimbento. No? Sige, gagamitin pa rin natin yung tatlong yon. Okay? Number 1. Arabic. Arabic. Sabi ni Rhyme Dictionary, Dictionary.com at Oxford Dictionary, Arabic. Pero sabi ni Rhyme Dictionary, pwede siyang Arabic. Hindi Arabic. Wrong. Example. I can speak Arabic. Number 2. Preface. Preface. Pero sabi ni Dictionary.com, it's preface. Hindi preface. Example. The preface is short. Number 3. Tranquil. Tranquil. Pero sabi ni Rhyme Dictionary, pwede rin tranquil. Hindi tranquil. Example. There was a tranquil evening. Number 4. Indigent. Indigent. Hindi indigent. Example. We delivered foods to indigent people. Number 5. Gigantic. Gigantic. Pero sabi ni Rhyme Dictionary, pwede siyang gigantic. Sabi rin ni Dictionary.com, pwedeng gigantic. Hindi gigantic. Example. The gigantic people arrived. Number 6. Karate. Karate. Pwede din namang karate. Pero pag gusto mong magkaroon ng American accent, you go for karate. Remember, yung karate, nanggaling siya sa Japan. And Japanese, they say karate. So, we have to acknowledge it. But then again, if you want to Americanize your sound, just say karate. Example. He was very well at karate. Number 7. Typhus. Typhus. Hindi tipos. Example. The typhus is severe. Number 8. Inventory. Inventory. Sabi ni Moran Dictionary at dictionary.com, it's inventory. Sabi ni dictionary.com, pwede ring inventory. Pero sabi ni Oxford Dictionary, there's no secondary stress. So, inventory, squeezed, pwede ding inventory. Hindi inventory. Example. The inventory is not accurate. Number 9. Jeopardy. Jeopardy. Hindi Jeopardy. Huh? Example. Her life is in jeopardy. Number 10. Flammable. Flammable. Hindi flammable. Example. The tank is flammable. So, ayan, may 10 English words na naman na naidagdag sa inyong kaalaman patungkol kung paano sila bigkasin ng tama sa wikang English. 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 Yan. Okay. But, guys, I will give you a tip. Do not just stick and reiterate that this particular pronunciation that you think you know is only the way you possibly can say it. For instance, for the words international, you do not just stick to the possible pronunciation which is international and keep saying that the word international is only said international. But of course, it's also possible to say international. But that depends whether you are using the American accent or the British accent. Well, of course, if it's British accent, then you go for international. But if it's American accent, then you go for international. What do I mean by this one, guys? For example, do not force your students, if you're teaching English, to say international, just international, but your student is saying international. But you're correcting your student and letting your student say international. That's wrong, because international is also possible. Question. Can you use them both, international or international? Of course you can. The question always there would be whether this one is standard or not. International is standard. International is also standard. So, you can use them both. Okay? Napainis ako dun. Okay. So, yun lang guys. So, wag magaling ha? Okay. Alright. So, anyway, kung gusto niyo magkaroon ulit ng part 3, comment down below kung gusto niyo. I hope guys, natutunan naman kayo at samahan niyo na naman ako sa next na vlog ko. I hope you guys are enjoying and see you next time.